Hey there, Shawn, the Sales Funnel Nerd. Welcome to this video here where I'm going to show you how to set up an affiliate campaign that generates $1,893 per person. Whoa, that's a lot, right? So let's explain exactly what I'm talking about here. So what are we looking at? On here, this is kind of an affiliate page where I can go and access a bunch of different products and a bunch of different tools, because the first step to setting up a good affiliate campaign is having a good product to promote. Right? Now, here's a test that you can use as far as whether or not this is a good product to promote. One, do you know about this product? Two, preferably, do you use this product? And three, would you recommend this product to a friend? Right? Pretty simple. Is it a good product to promote? If you don't, if you don't know it much about it and you don't actually use it, investigate. Check out this product. Does it look, reputable? Preferably, order the product and try it out. Know what's going on with it. So that's the great thing, is that a lot of business tools online here that I use, whether or not it's something you use to, send out emails or build a web page or host webinars, they, are going to allow you to be an affiliate for them. And if you use this product in your business and it's great and gives you great results, why not promote it to other people, other businesses along the way, right? So that's the first step as far as our affiliate campaign, is having a good product to promote. Now, as far as the next steps that we want here is that we're going to need items to promote this, to actually have our campaign. So we're going to need some emails, and we're going to need other things like creative items that I call creative. Right? Images, banners, that type of thing. So now the way that I came up with this amount, $1,893, is I went through one of the products I use is ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels offers a bunch of other different products that are great, a lot of them that I use and would totally recommend. So in their affiliate section here, I just went through and dug up 3 products that they have available that you can promote as an affiliate. And I wanted to keep it simple, right? Let's not, people get kind of lost with anything beyond 3 these days, so let's keep it to just a nice simple 1, 2, and 3. So what I did is I went through and had a look, and I'll show you how I came up with this amount here. So one of the first products here is just actually giving away a free book, just promoting people, hey, go check out this free book. And if they go and check out the book, we earn a big old dollar if they go and buy the book. But they're going to get offered a bunch of different products and upsells along the way. So if they go and take advantage of those products, you can see the amounts and how much we'll actually earn. So $37, $297, and $19.97. So on those, if they took all of those, we would earn $14, $118, and $798 for a total of $933 potential for each free book that we recommend to people, right? So pretty awesome as far as the amount for just giving away one free book. And the nice thing is we're going to do 3. So the next item here is, so there's a new other book that he's come out with that we can also promote as well. You can see the earnings amounts for each item in the funnel here, and the potential is a big old $816.40 for promoting yet another free book. So nice and easy as far as, hey, go check out this free book, right? And then I chose one more product just so we could have one more. So here you can see as far as how I came up with it. If they go for a 14-day free trial, it's $0, but we put it down so they tried the 14 days, then they took advantage of 1 month. $26.80 would be our amount for them to try out 1 month in Funnel University, as well as taking the funnel catcher option of $297. So I added on the $118 as well. So they tried it. They're going to try it a month, as well as they took the upsell for this product. But the great thing is this MRR, so monthly recurring revenue. So say they decide to stay on for 6 months, we would get $26.80 times 6. Because we get paid for each month that they're a member here. So, but I just wanted to keep it simple and just say, just say 1 month. So that's how I came up with the number of $1,893, and that's just for promoting 3 products, and 2 of them are literally giving away free books, right? The Funnel Hacker Cookbook, and for this one, the Software Secrets book. So that's how I came up with these amounts. But try to imagine, don't think of it so much as these products, like, oh, this doesn't, I don't know anything about these books or anything like that. Think about in your niche or your industry, any kind of products that are out there usually have some type of affiliate program. And the main thing is if they have just a single product available, chances are that they'll have other products, upsells in their funnel along the way. And a lot of times they'll lay out that funnel for you to see, and how it's laid out like this here. So the great thing is that you can go ahead and promote with ease if you go ahead and find good products to promote, because they're going to have a lot of affiliate tools at the same time. So if we take a look and see, so let's take a look at the items that we need as far as filling out and deploying our affiliate campaign. So if we take a look in our affiliate toolbox here for this particular product here, the great thing is that we've got all sorts of things that we can take and use almost immediately here. So if we take a look, we've got banner ads, we've got large banners. So if we click on banner ads, here we can see a couple of banner ads that we can go. And the great thing about these is we can, we don't have to waste time in like Photoshop or hiring somebody to make these types of images to promote these products. These types of things, the great thing is we can take them and put them right into our emails. We can put them into blog posts. Because we just need to click on the image, and now we've got the this is all the code and everything that we will need as far as putting this into WordPress, pasting this into emails, saving the image, and then just having it as an affiliate link. And there's lots of videos that'll explain how to do that, especially as far as putting these types of things into either the sidebar or into your actual blog posts in WordPress. Tons of videos about that, easy to find, that'll explain that out. So here we can see I've got 2 here, and then I've got 4 more down here, so I've got 6 images straight away that I can use, and if I use the code, if I use this embedded option, it's going to have my affiliate link, and I won't have to worry about doing anything with that. But if I just wanted the pictures as well to use, to throw those into emails, I've got those as well. You can see here we've got I can create my own banners if I want, as far as what they've got here. So that's no problem as far as this product, right? So we've got lots of banners, and if we go back up here, we can see all we have to do as far as swipe copy. So here's my emails, right? And they've got it broken down, and they've got this broken down so that it's so simple. Not even just one subject line. They've got multiple subject lines to choose from. So I can take my pick as far as what I want here, and body copy as far as paste that into an email, and I'm ready to go. Now, I say take it a step further and put a little bit more, like I like to just read the emails and like what is the gist of the emails, and then put it into my own voice. Because as far as emails, if I was to take just a generic email that was provided as far as an affiliate tool and paste it in and go, I think people who have read multiple emails from me would know that this isn't like, this isn't really my tone. This doesn't seem as natural, and it would, I think that would, not go over as well. So I would probably, what I like to do is just, like I say, just read over the email, kind of get the gist of it as far as what's the person's trying to say and how they're putting this affiliate offer forward, and then just adapt it into your own tone and into your own voice, right? Easy. So that's for this one here, this free book for this Funnel Hackers Cookbook. So for this one here, if we go down to the affiliates tools section, here we can see I've got more products. I've got more banner ads to choose from here, right? Different sizes as far as if I want to go with taller ones in my, in my sidebars, or I can, like I say, you can paste these into blog posts. You can paste these into emails as clickable images. Go down, you can see product mock-up boxes here that I can take and use and adapt however I want. And then we've got more sample copy. So boom, right away I've got, stuff that I can take and use straight away, or like I say, change and adapt and customize it and make it into your own voice. So that's that second product. So I've got everything that I can need there. All I have to do is literally just copy and paste into, a notepad file and organize this and get my affiliate campaign items ready to go. And if I go to my third one here, so for this one, same thing, tons of banner ads that I can take. Again, all I have to do is just click, copy, paste into a notepad file and keep it all organized. So here's my third affiliate offer that I'm going to be promoting. And I would just set these up to, go one right after another as far as deploying it. And deploying is the last stage that we're going to talk about here. But you can see, again, multiple subject lines to choose from. But I could use these as far as blog post titles or Facebook ads. Lots of different ways to use this free copy that they've come up with and created for us, right? Just let your imagination run wild. And same with these images, right? I kind of like this one here, showing all the different stats and numbers as far as what you'd have to spend on university versus how much you're going to make. So I could take and copy this email, or I could just go save this image and use this image in an email that I send out myself, right? Customize it and kind of make it my own. So here are lots of to choose from. Again, I can do multiple emails just from the sample copy that they provided with this, right? So now I've kind of got everything set and tools provided for me. So I've got my email, so I'm going to save some time because I'm not going to have to worry about writing this stuff up, especially if you're not a writer. And as far as the creative, you're not going to worry about having to try to learn Photoshop or hiring some kind of person off of, a website to go and do, create the stuff for you and then send you the files and that kind of stuff. It's, literally provided for you and you're ready to go. So you can save a lot of time just by using these affiliate tools, right? So now let's just talk about the last part here, which is how to deploy. So now once I've got all these different items, I've got banners and I've got emails, what I want to do is come up with a deployment plan, right? So the best one that I like to do is basically show each product's value to the audience, right? You want to take your product, show the value to your audience, and one of the best ways to do that is to show the product in action, right? Or show some type of before and after, and then take that and talk about in a story how much the before part really sucked, problems that you had. The more you talk about how it sucked, the better it's going to make the story because it'll make things, it'll really highlight how great things are now because of the product, right? All that stuff that used to suck is gone because of this product that I use, and here's how great it is. Here's awesome results that I got with. Here's like monetary results that I've got with this. So to give you an example, right, of a kind of like a deployment plan that I would use in regards to this, if we take a look at this Funnel Hacker cookbook. So to start off with that, I would kind of, should make a video, like whip out my phone, show this Funnel Hacker book or cookbook in my hands. I would go through and be like, you know what? Here's my bundle. My business has a need. My business needs a particular type of funnel. So here in this cookbook, I can go and actually find the funnel that I need in this cookbook, and I'm literally going to bake one up. So I would make a video showing, got this cookbook, here's a funnel that I need, flip to the page, here's how to do it, here's like the recipe for it, and then I would go over to my computer and literally bake up this funnel and show and be like, hey, if you need any of these types of funnels, you can do it as well. Just click on this link. You can go get this book. You can get the same software I use as well, and do the same thing, and just have a link underneath the video to the book. That's essentially my affiliate link. Now for the second item here, we can see as far as the order bump. So this is an item that's on the order page. If they check the box, they can get these books as well, right? So what I would do in that case is for the 3 books, I would tell a story about how one of the funnels in one of these books, say in this .com secret books, there's lots of funnels in there, and I would tell a story about one of the funnels that I created from this .com secrets book and how it helped me. I would go over and actually show the actual transactions that have gone through ClickFunnels, because ClickFunnels is talked about and recommended in both these books here. I believe it's in the Funnel Cookbook as well, but in all 3 of these books it talks about ClickFunnels, which is the software that allows you to build, funnels, websites, sales funnels essentially. And I would tell a story and like I say, talk about how I didn't have it and how things sucked and now I have it, and show all these awesome results, show all these sales that have gone through ClickFunnels as a result of the funnels that I built that I read about in this .com secrets book, right? And show them, I like to use video, but I mean you could do the same thing and emails, different medium, however you want to do it. But I'm a big fan of video, so like I say, I would do it that way and show people all these awesome things that can happen, and all they have to do is just click on the affiliate link to go check it out themselves and show them proof, not just talk about it, but show them actual proof and make them want to go and check it out, right? Now in here we can see as far as the upsells, so the funnel immersion and the funnel builder secrets, if I had either one of these products, right? If I was a member of either one of these things or bought these things as well, use them, same thing, demonstrate, show them in action, and talk about awesome results that I got. But because these are higher ticket, what I would do is mention that in order to get access to these special insider secret things, they need to take advantage of the offers when they're presented to them in the upsell. And I would literally tell them, like, well, if you go and check out these books, you're going to be presented with this upsell. If you if you take advantage of it, it's going to give you access to this, this, and this, which is like secret insider stuff, because people like hearing about insider things or being part of a special group or getting secret information. That type of thing. And then again, show, prove, talk about, explain to them why they want to take advantage of it, because it gave me awesome results. I'm not really that special, and all you have to do is just kind of duplicate what I did and you'll get awesome results too, right? And that's that's how I would kind of, promote for this particular campaign for this product in my, affiliate campaign for, the higher end products, to make sure that that was kind of covered as well. And then I would just go and do the same thing. So for these software secrets, I would do the same thing. I would, go and show, things that I've done, results that I've got from, portions of this book, and that they should go and check it out. And just, rinse and repeat for each product in my affiliate campaign. And that's it. Go find a good product to promote, get all the stuff that you need from their affiliate toolbox so that you can save time and don't have to come up with all of this yourself. And then just come up with a plan to deploy, show the product in action, highlight it, and just show how awesome it is to get results from these products that you're promoting as an affiliate there. And the rest kind of takes care of itself. It feels so awesome when you do make your affiliate sales, because all you're doing is just referring someone to something awesome that you currently use, love, would recommend to a friend, and then you get paid for it as a result. So that's it. That is how to set up a good affiliate campaign that generates a lot of money from 3 simple products here. So take action, go ahead and make your own affiliate campaign. And thanks for taking the time to watch this video.